Good morning, students. Today I will continue question number 3. Previous class I have completed two numericals. So now next I have written here. So now number 3. The demand for a good at rupees 10 per unit is 40 units. Price falls by rupees 5. If price elasticity of demand is minus 3, calculate the new quantity demanded. So first of all, you have to make the two parts, uh, original quantity, new quantity and change in quantity. So from this information now I am going to make the partition. So the demand for a good at rupees 10 per unit is 40 units. So first you write Q, original quantity, Q1 new quantity and delta Q change in quantity. Next, original price, new price and change in price. So first rupees 10 per unit. So original price is rupees 10 is 40 units. So quantity, original quantity 40 units. Next, price falls by rupees 5. When it is written falls by, this means that change in price. Falls by rupees 5. So change in price rupees 5. And false means minus. So you write here minus sign. Next, if price elasticity of demand is minus 3. So price elasticity of demand minus 3. Calculate the new quantity demanded. So you have to calculate new quantity demanded. Only original quantity given, Q1 new quantity you cannot know, delta Q cannot know. So we have to find out Q1 and delta Q. So first you write the formula, elasticity of demand equal delta Q delta P into P by Q. This is the formula. So minus sign. So delta Q, we do not know delta Q, right? Here delta Q. Delta P 5 into price 10 and quantity 40 units, and elasticity of demand minus 3. So you write delta Q by 20. So delta Q 60. So delta Q value 60 units. Next, we have to find out delta Q1. We have to find out Q1. So from this information, you have to find out here new price will be, what is the new price? Original price 10 and delta P change in price false. False means decreases. So here new price will be 10 minus 5 equal rupees 5. So new price will be 5 and change in price 5. Price falls, that's why the new price is 5. Original price 10, so new price 5. So from this information we see that when price falls, this means the quantity will increase because there is a negative relation. So price falls, quantity increases. So from this information we can write here Q1 equal original quantity, then there will be this false means this will increase, that's why I am going to put plus sign, Q plus delta Q. So original quantity 40 units plus 60 units Therefore, the answer will be 100 units. So this is the answer. So here calculate the new quantity demanded. So new quantity demanded will be 100 units. 100 units. This is the answer. So in this way you have to calculate the numerical. Now next I am going to write the another type of numerical.